The solar security lights DS-3 by Deepn provide exceptional brightness with their 330 high-density SMD LEDs, ensuring powerful illumination for large areas like driveways and backyards. Thanks to the intelligent lighting modes, these solar lights offer motion sensing, timer settings, and adjustable brightness levels to cater to various needs and enhance energy efficiency. Completely eliminating electricity costs, these solar-powered lights are designed for dusk-to-dawn operation, requiring no grid connection or complex wiring for setup. Built to withstand extreme weather conditions, the IP66 waterproof design and high-quality materials ensure the light's durability and performance in any climate. The easy installation process, with no wiring required, allows for quick setup in various outdoor locations, making these lights versatile for different environments. Deepn offers a 2-year warranty and dedicated customer support, providing peace of mind with their reliable after-sales service for these solar floodlights.